guys, good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I record this video in 3.29 morning and today I will discuss and present to you about code igniter 3.1.11, and then the next video I will present to you about code igniter 4.0 and the new version. Okay guys, CodeIgniter is powerful PHP framework with a very small footprint built for developer who need a simple and elegant toolkit to create full feature web application. So if you will download or learn about CodeIgniter, just visit in the codeigniter.com and then you can read some like about the manual book, documentation, and communication community discussion about code igniter. The new version is 4.0.3, 1 May 20 and 20. Okay guys, the first, how to create project our web with code igniter 3.1.11. Okay, the first is could visit the codeigniter.com and click download, and then we have two options, codeigniter 4 and codeigniter 3, but for this video I use codeigniter 3.1.11 and I intended for use with PHP 5.6. Okay, the first is click download. Okay, start download, and then already in the download, yeah, compress, yeah, this and this, and we can open like this. Okay, we can extract, yeah, extract, we rename it demo, learning CE, like this. And don't forget, move or copy this folder to our local server. I use some pp, this, yeah, and then after that go to the browser and I'm sorry, localhost, the name of directory learning C, yeah, just like that. The first view after we download and copy and run in the local server, our local server, just like that. And then the next we will learn about configuration, database, config database, controller, and view model, and how we can create our website with CodeIgniter 3.1.11. Okay guys, after that we open the file with your notepad. I use Visual Studio Code and then open folder. Last time you move to local server, the name is learning CE, select folder and then open. Okay, I will introduce to you about the feature directory in the codeigniter file, and the first is application. You just open and change the file in the directory application. The first is case. to create the cache and the directory to store your cache if you need. And then the second is config. We have some file txt in the directory config. The first is auto logout. These are the things you can load automatically. About what? About package, library, driver, helper, custom, language, and model. Uh, Package, library, driver, helper, config, and language, and model. Second is configuration, config. The first is base URL. If you have website and for example the apps.com and you put the project in the project and your warning that is like that. For that we have example is like the yeah. Okay, yes, like this. Different with the file the apps ID. For config base URL, index text is index.php. If you use index.php, beranda just change like this language, cat set, enable group, and other. Second is constant. The constant you need and you can add if you need. Okay. The third is database to connect in database. Host name, username, password, database, and DB driver. You can setting in this file. Okay. The next is root. The first root after you click the URL like that, project learning. Oh, I'm sorry, like that. Welcome is from controller. From controller, the name is welcome, like that. The first time I just show you about autoload config constant database and then the root in the directory config, and then the directory control you have the welcome. Welcome controller. So first root after you click the fix will be routing to the welcome. Control to create the access file in the view folder or view directory. So for example public function index. So the first time you will open a view index, the view name is welcome.misec.php. In this file welcome.misec.php, like that. So if you open in the browser this welcome to code igniter with the sign like this, you can view in this specs welcome.misec.php, welcome to code igniter. If you change hi like this, in this spec automatically changes after you refresh hi. Or you will create the new file like hello.php, don't forget use .php, and you create the file like this. It's head and body. Don't forget HTML have the framework like this, and HTML heading 1. Okay, heading 1, heading level 1.